Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll show you uh, what to do if your printer while printing doesn't print anything on the paper. So I'll just show you one example of the same. I have this Canon Pixma printer. I think it is G2010 model. So what I will do is click print and then click, yeah, this is G2010 series. So I'll just print this. I'll click on print, and as you can see here, it will take the paper, but then you'll see that it is kind of basically, if you can hear that voice, it is printing. Actually, it feels like it is printing. I don't know if you are able to hear or not, but see, the paper is coming blank. So today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you face this condition, the other problem. So let's get back to the computer. So now what I will do is I'll just search for IJ printer assistant tool, because in my case this is the Canon G2010 printer, basically just Canon printer. So I hope you will have the same tool name, that is IJ printer assistant tool, in case of Canon. But if you have any other company's printer, you can just uh, go through the manual, or like go through your whatever drivers you have been provided with. So you will definitely have some kind of a printer assistant tool which will help you in cleaning and all this stuff which you can see right in front of your screen. So what I will do in my case, basically you can do just this, like one two three, go stepwise and just check if that fixes. But in my case, I think it should be this ink flush, because the this, it must be that ink is, or nozzle, this nozzles have been this clogged, or like deep cleaning. So I'll just click on deep cleaning first. See, it says this blah blah. I'll click on all colors. Deep cleaning consumes more much ink, yeah blah blah, and let's click execute. Start print. Let me take one paper. Here I have taken one paper. So let's see, if I click on OK, what happens. Do not start another operation. Okay, let's check. I don't know, it didn't ask me for putting a paper, but I think we should put one paper at least. I don't know why the printer didn't ask me. So let's see what happens. First option is that I have clicked on deep cleaning. After deep cleaning ends, execute nozzle check to check whether the print head nozzles have been unclogged. Okay, so it shows that after deep cleaning we have to click on this nozzle check one. So it will tell you, like it will guide you in steps what to do next. Basically, I'll try this one, and obviously it is saying to go for this one. And then after that, if the still problem persists, then I'll go for ink flush. You can just try all of those options you feel like. But obviously in my case, I feel like that no ink is coming on the paper, so that's why I've gone straight away for deep cleaning, so that if there is any clogging or something like that, so it will just unclog the same. So it's taking a lot of time, like might be that it is taking ink from that pipes that you can see. I will not open this right now because it is doing its operation, so I won't disturb it for now. Let's just wait for a minute or so. It's already been like maybe 2 minutes. No, like 1.5 minute. Yeah, maybe for 2 minutes we have to wait. See, on the computer it says you do not start another operation until the deep cleaning has finished. So do not, do anything with that printer. Make sure you have this printer connected to an inverter or like UPS, so that there's like no problem of power shortage. I mean, power cuts. So it's taking a lot of time. So I'm going to pause this video because it's going to take a lot of time now. I don't think it will stop right here. So I'll just come back after it has, it has just stopped doing those operations. So I think, yeah, so it shows print a pattern that lets you, okay, let's print it. It's just basically that. Here it says, oh, so in that case we didn't need a paper, but here it says you need at least one, load one sheet of A4 paper, a letter size. So make sure to put one paper, like I have done in this video. Yeah, so let's check if it will print this time. If it will print this time, then it's okay. You don't need to go for the ink flush option. See, the all the colors are printed now. So I'll just print my actual paper. Let's see if it can print that. So I'll just click on print, and then I'll go for print. Let's check this time. It's taking paper, so let's see that print is coming. No, 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 no. Just still inside. So yeah, print has come, as you can see. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more informational videos like that, because I know sometimes um, those local stores are like they will ask you for so much of money, and they'll tell you this and that, like the cartridges have to be replaced and whatnot. So you should definitely at least have one look at the print tools so that you can self-diagnose. If that doesn't help, then you definitely need to just call on the those whatever number you have, toll free number or whatever. So yeah, thank you very much. Goodbye.